This week at Monmouth Medical Center, as part of Operation Walk USA, we'll be performing surgery on 2 patients.
It's easy. This is an amazing opportunity for me to get back to myself and, get back to my own life.
Jacqueline had severe arthritis in her hip. She had bone-on-bone disease that was extremely limiting and painful.
I just want to be able to do normal things. I want to be able to go for walks with my wife. I want to be able to not be in pain all day. I mean, I have a hard time sleeping. The pain never goes away.
Gerald has been suffering with knee issues for the last 20 years. He's been receiving injections and various treatment. He has developed a severe deformity, a bow-legged type deformity with bone-on-bone disease.
All right, good luck, okay?
Thank you so much.
See you when you're done.
It affects simple things just like getting out of bed, getting out of a car, a chair, climbing stairs, keeps you up at night, and he just cannot tolerate the situation any longer.
This is such a great holiday gift that we were able to give to Jacqueline and Gerald through the partnership of Monmouth Medical Center and Seaview Orthopaedics. This is the 3rd consecutive year that RWJBarnabas Health, Monmouth Medical Center, have partnered with Operation Walk USA to provide for patients that need it the most orthopedic surgeries to help them to get back on their feet, to get back to their life, and to be able to do the activities that they want to do.
I'd like to thank Monmouth Medical Center, Smith & Nephew, who donated the implants for free, and all the doctors, nurses, therapists, everyone who's helped us help these patients get the gift of joint replacement surgery during this holiday season.
Finding Operation Walk is, it's like I got the best Christmas present anyone could ever ask for.
I want to personally thank Dr. Chalnick for donating his time and effort and allowing these patients to get back to their daily activities, to get back to their families, to get back to their life is what this is all about. And in this time of the year, to be able to do this for our patients, isn't that what the holiday is all about for all of us?